Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss calculation of foreign currency rate. So here we have the question. Calculate TT buying rate for British pound 50,000 inward payment. If US dollar Indian currency rate is 48.50/52 and pound US dollar rate is 1.6050/60 and margin is to be ignored. So let us proceed with the calculation. Friends, since it is inward payment, we are supposed to calculate the purchase rate or the buying rate. And in the buying rate, we are going to calculate a TT rate. So there can be a bills buying rate or a TT buying rate, but here we are told to calculate TT buying rate. And this rate is to be calculated for spot rate. So there can be forward rate, that is the rate relating to future. And the spot rate means the current rate. So we are supposed to calculate spot rate for this purchase transaction. Friends, because British pound and Indian currency rate is not directly available, hence we cannot calculate it as it is. First we have to calculate the rate between pound and Indian currency, and then we will be able to make calculation for that. To calculate pound and Indian currency rate, so we are going to make use of cross rate. Margin here is not given, so margin will be ignored. No adjustment is required to be made for margin. Interbank spot rate for US dollar and Indian rupee is this. So it is 48.5000, 48.5200. And our rule says buy low, sell high. So when we have to purchase, we shall make use of this part. When we have to sell, then we shall make use of this part. Hence, being a purchase transaction between US dollar and Indian currency, this is the rate we are going to take, 48.5000. So this rate will be taken. Similarly, for rate between pound and US dollar, so this is the rate given here. So we will take this one, 1.6050. Buy low, sell high. Now we can make a calculation by using cross rate. So rate which will be quoted to the customer will be 48.5000 multiplied by this rate. So this is the rate we get which will be quoted to the customer for this inward transaction. Now amount which is payable to the customer in Indian currency. So this is the rate which is quoted to the customer, and this is multiplied by 50,000, and this is the amount which will be paid to the customer. So to customer's account, this much amount shall be credited. Hence, bank will receive from the customer this much amount, and by using that rate, this rate, bank will credit to customer's account this much amount. Friends, I am sure the contents of this video will benefit you. Thank you very much for watching this video.